Marina Banggi, San Jose. Inot na inot, salamat sa mahal na Diyos sa magayon na panahon. Salamat man sa mahal na Diyos na natipon po ang gabos na Oragon na riders kang Bicolandia. Palakpakan ta po ang gabos na riders. Nahali sa Cam Norte, Cam Sur, Albay, Sorsogon, Catanduanes, Masbate. Natipon po din yan.
The whole world at our feet, watching seasons change. Our roads were lined with adventure, mountains in the way couldn't keep us from the sea. Here we stand open arms, this is home where we are, ever strong in the world that we made. I still hear you in the breeze, see your shadows in the
Mabuhay po ang Oragon ng mga riders. Mabuhay po si Mayor Gerald. Mabuhay po ang EPB. Mabuhay ang Bicolandia. Diyos mabados po sa inyo, Gabos.
Light represents the unity among brothers and sisters in two wheels, in greater glory of the Almighty Creator, who will continue to keep us safe tomorrow for our rides. May all be blessed this evening, all the people surrounding here. May your family be blessed as you go home after our ride tomorrow.
Touch the ball, it's over, call it close, but we all know what this is gonna be. You can...
Madayaw at marhay na banggi sa Indo the Boss. Diba? Sana po ay tayo'y mag-ingat sa ating ride, no? Kasama po natin ang Philippine Motorcycle Tourism.
I just been counting, never lounging.
PBB is be part of this a very, very exciting and exciting event. Ang ating third Motor Rally di San Jose.
Outside, outside, looking at the stars, staring with my mouth wide. I ain't letting nobody stop me this time. With every single level that I reach and I climb, they ask, are you from outside, outside? Everything around me I create with my mind. Working too hard, I don't want no downtime. Put my team on, they gon' shine when I shine. We can take this outside, outside. Looking at the stars, staring with my mouth wide. I ain't letting nobody stop me this time. Every single level that I reach and I climb, they ask, are you from outside, outside? Everything around me I create with my mind. Working too hard, I don't want no downtime. Put my team on, they gon' shine and I shine. We can take this. You are just not on my level. You are just not on my level. You are just not on my level. You are just not on my level.
And once again, thank you so much and welcome kayong lahat. Thank you.
as I have said, these initiatives of tourism, arts, and any other, this doesn't hold any boundaries for political, gender, and any other religious and race. Yung turismo at pagiging kapatiran, mga nagpapamotor, wala dyan kinitig ng kulay. Importante, makatulong tayo sa turismo. I promise, every year, this will be a better motor rally every year. As masalo pa nating pagagandahin to ng Philippine Motorcycle Tourism. Ano po?